it's Megan with WTI, and are you feeling a little bit intimidated by the whole blended crease technique? Well, what I have personally found is that all it takes is the right eyeshadow shade. And one shade that I have found amazing for this technique is this MAC eyeshadow in the shade Ho. In addition to the amazing shade, this eyeshadow has a buttery, smooth texture. This makes it so easy to blend in whatever eyeshadow look you're going for. The shade is this gorgeous rosy brown color. I find that this touch of rosiness really helps to bring some life to my complexion, especially in the middle of winter when my skin could use a little bit of sun. It helps me to achieve a really natural, soft, subtle blended crease look. I've also worn it over my entire lid and I have loved that look too. I find this MAC eyeshadow to be so user-friendly, and if you are a little bit scared of trying out different eyeshadow techniques, I would definitely recommend trying this shade. And that's my point of view.